Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since our last video, and I just want to say a huge thank you for your patience. We've been working behind the scenes to bring you an amazing lineup of videos that will be dropping regularly over the next few weeks. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. And what better way to kick things off than with a deep dive into one of the most exciting smart security cameras on the market right now, the Aqara G5 Pro. Let's jump right in. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Aqara G5 Pro, the latest outdoor security camera designed to enhance home security and automation. With AI detection, true color night vision, and HomeKit secure video support, it's already creating a lot of buzz. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. This video is packed with valuable insights from start to finish. Stay tuned until the very end to make sure you don't miss any key details about the Aqara G5 Pro and how it can enhance your smart home security. This video is your one-stop guide. We'll cover everything from key features, installation, and smart home integration to a detailed comparison with the Eufy S3 Pro, another top-tier security camera. We'll also test the AI recognition, night vision, and video quality to give you a real-world performance breakdown. So if you're in the market for the best outdoor smart camera, you're in the right place. If you're considering an Apple HomeKit compatible outdoor camera, chances are you've come across both the Aqara G5 Pro and the Eufy S3 Pro. But which one is the best fit for your home? Let's break it down. The Aqara G5 Pro supports Power over Ethernet, also known as PoE, which provides a stable, hardwired connection. It features AI-powered detection for faces, vehicles, and packages, and also acts as a smart home hub with Zigbee, Thread, and Matter support. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with HomeKit Secure Video, making it a great choice for Apple users. On the other hand, the Eufy S3 Pro offers 4K Ultra HD resolution, which is higher than the G5 Pro. It is battery-powered for more flexible installation and includes a built-in Homebase 3, which enables local storage and AI-powered analysis. One of its biggest advantages is that it supports 24/7 recording without a subscription. So, if you need a wired connection with HomeKit Secure Video, the G5 Pro is a fantastic choice. But if you prefer a battery-powered camera with local AI processing and higher resolution, the Eufy S3 Pro might be more suitable for your setup. Now, let's talk about the tech specs that make the Aqara G5 Pro stand out. The camera features a 4-megapixel sensor with 1520p resolution, which is better than 1080p but not quite 4K. It has a wide 133-degree field of view, capturing more of your surroundings. With a frame rate of 20 frames per second, it ensures smooth video quality. For night vision, the G5 Pro uses true color night vision technology, equipped with an f1.0 aperture lens. This allows the camera to capture vibrant, detailed footage even in low light conditions. The built-in spotlight enhances night vision without overexposing images, making it perfect for both dimly lit and completely dark environments. When it comes to storage and connectivity, the G5 Pro supports multiple options. It is compatible with Apple HomeKit Secure Video, RTSP streaming, and local NAS storage. However, it does not include a built-in SD card slot. Instead, you can choose between an 8GB or 32GB internal storage model. The camera also supports NAS recording for continuous 24/7 storage. Smart home integration is another strong point for this camera. It is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Matter. Additionally, it functions as a Zigbee and Thread hub, allowing you to connect and control other smart home accessories directly through the camera. One major downside, however, is that the G5 Pro does not support built-in 24/7 recording unless you use an NVR or NAS setup. Now, let's see how the Aqara G5 Pro performs in real-world scenarios. One of its standout features is the outstanding night vision. Even in near-total darkness, the image remains sharp and full of color. The AI detection works well, accurately identifying faces, vehicles, and package deliveries. Smart home compatibility is seamless, particularly with Apple HomeKit Secure Video and Matter. And thanks to PoE support, the camera maintains a stable connection with no Wi-Fi dropouts, making it one of the most reliable outdoor cameras available. That said, there are a couple of drawbacks. The lack of native 24/7 recording means you will need to set up an NVR or NAS for continuous video storage. Additionally, the free cloud storage plan limits video resolution to 360p unless you subscribe to Aqara's premium plan. Overall, the Aqara G5 Pro is a powerful smart security camera, but if 24/7 recording is essential for you, it may be worth considering alternative solutions like a Synology NAS or the Eufy home-based system. The good news is that installing the Aqara G5 Pro is super simple. Here's how you can do it in just a few minutes. First, choose your model. The Wi-Fi version requires a power outlet, while the PoE version uses a single Ethernet cable for both power and data. Next, mount the camera. Secure the base plate to a wall or ceiling using the included screws. Then, slide the camera into the mount and tighten the security screw. Finally, set up the software. Open the Aqara app and scan the QR code on the camera. Connect it to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and configure your smart home settings. You can adjust motion detection zones, AI recognition preferences, and storage options to fit your needs. And just like that, your Aqara G5 Pro is now fully set up and ready to protect your home. So, is the Aqara G5 Pro the best smart security camera? There are several pros. The PoE support provides a reliable wired connection. The True Color Night Vision is among the best available, capturing clear, vibrant footage even in low light. The camera integrates seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, and Matter. And for privacy-focused users, it offers local RTSP and NAS support. On the downside, the lack of native 24/7 recording means that continuous video storage requires an external solution, like an NVR or NAS. Additionally, a subscription is required for full cloud features, with the free plan limiting cloud recordings to 360p resolution. For Apple Home users looking for a top-tier HomeKit secure video camera with PoE support, the Aqara G5 Pro is one of the best choices available today. One standout feature of the Aqara G5 Pro is its Power over Ethernet, or PoE connectivity. If you want a stable, lag-free security camera, PoE is a game changer. Unlike Wi-Fi cameras, PoE eliminates connection drops and ensures smooth, uninterrupted video streaming. This makes the G5 Pro one of the most reliable HomeKit secure video cameras on the market. So, what do you think about the Aqara G5 Pro? Is it the right security camera for your smart home? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.